Noell kitchen faucet, it's all in the details. From the accent rings to the unique one-handle lever, Noell combines modern style with traditional design. The two-function pull-down spray wand puts water delivery at your fingertips. A steady aerated stream and a power clean spray for rinsing are perfect for everyday tasks. Power Clean's optimized cleaning force provides a 50% more powerful spray for more force and less splash. Noell also features Moen's reflex system, so it automatically retracts from any distance and angle, then returns to its original position naturally. And Moen's spot-resist stainless finish makes cleanup easy by resisting water spots and fingerprints. Noell is also available in Mediterranean bronze, includes a coordinating soap dispenser, and can be installed with or without the optional deck plate. The Noell kitchen faucet from Moen. Buy it for looks, buy it for life.
Inspired by the design of professional kitchens, the Sous faucet will bring life to your inner chef. Its high arch and unique exposed spring design provide exceptional control and flexibility in the kitchen.
Kraus, we're driving industry standards forward. We are proud to introduce a new standard in kitchen faucets with Bolden, a faucet with industrial design, customized to fit the needs of your home. Crafted from solid brass and designed with a drip-free ceramic cartridge, it's built to last. With a compact 18-inch height, Bolden fits where other commercial-style faucets will not. The high arc spout with open coil accent offers ample clearance for filling large pots and pitchers. Equipped with an easy retract, flexible nylon hose, Bolden allows you to reach every hard-to-hit corner of your sink. Easily change between the aerated stream and spray functions at the flip of a switch. Experience the new standard in kitchen faucet design with Bolden. Quality, designed for a better kitchen. Kraus, innovation for real life.
We hope you enjoyed this video of our top 5 picks. Please check out the description to see the prices of the products that were just mentioned. Also, please subscribe to this channel for more content just like this. Thanks for watching.